you. Today I want to share with you this product right here. Holy cow. This is called the Crest 3D Brilliance 2-step whitening system. This stuff works. I used it once and saw results. All right, I was on a Facebook group and these girls were talking about what they use to whiten their teeth, and this came up. So I thought I would purchase it. It was about $15 or $16 here in Canada. And I haven't really done whitening at home. I usually go to the dentist. I guess the closest would be if I got those little trays and they supplied me with the whitening gel and I tried that at home. But I've never bought a store-bought product and tried it because I've always heard that it makes your teeth really sensitive. Now, the first time I tried this, my teeth kind of felt frozen in my gums, but that lasted a couple of seconds. It was gone and it's never come back. So that's a nice thing. So yeah, it works for me. Now, I just want to say as a disclaimer, I am not a dentist. I'm not a professional. This isn't sponsored. This is my own review, my own experience, but I do highly recommend this because like I said, I noticed results immediately. I have been using it for about a month. I should have done a review a month ago, but I did take pictures today before I brushed my teeth and after, because maybe it's because I have veneers on my teeth and I've heard that veneers, these products don't work on veneers, but in actual fact, I think I misunderstood because veneers stain just like teeth, I believe, from, drinking coffee and drinking wine, which I do. And so I tried it on my veneers, and what I noticed is that every day I use it, my teeth are whiter. And I actually think over time they're whitening, but not, crazy amounts. But I definitely think they are. I definitely notice after I brush my teeth how clean and white and sparkly they are. And who doesn't want a nice white sparkly smile? It makes you look younger, and I'm all about that. So I will just tell you how to use this product. So you brush your teeth with step 1, so that cleans your teeth. Then you spit it out. You do not rinse with water. Then, as I drop it, then you use number 2 and you brush your teeth with that. And that is like that gel stuff that you get from the dentist in the little trays, but you just brush it on, and you brush that on for a minute, and then you rinse with water, and then your teeth are gonna look amazing. Now, sometimes I feel like it takes about a half a minute or a minute before I really notice the white, but maybe that's just me. But my teeth look amazing and I love it. And I will have before and after pictures, like I said. When I do the timer, I use my iPhone, so 1 minute for step 1, 1 minute for step 2. And then just as a bonus tip, I use this mouthwash right here during the day just to keep things fresh. And then I like to use these little picks to clean between my teeth. They're really easy, they're minty, they taste really good. And I just noticed here we got little Emma. I just thought we should say hi to Emma. Great stuff, takes no time at all. They recommend doing it twice a day. You'll see in the pictures it's not a huge difference, but it's definitely a difference. And maybe if you don't have veneers, you're even gonna notice more of a difference. Hope you enjoyed this review. If you've tried this, let me know below. If you're gonna try it, let me know your results. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.